Hi, welcome to Dora's Cooking Secrets. My name is Theodora Floros. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. The first series of videos that I wish to share on my channel will be focused on cooking for diabetics. Recently, I had a diagnosis of type 2 diabetes and high cholesterol. I already live with high blood pressure. For the last 25 years, I've cooked in the food industry in Montreal. I've eaten very well, and I want to continue to eat very well. However, I can't eat in the same way I used to. Join me as I research and experiment and create recipes for diabetics that will allow me to have a healthy lifestyle. Share your experiences, share your comments. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you soon.